Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Biruditillah, the secret of the Quran and Zikr. Dear brothers and sisters, today I invite you to a moment of spiritual reflection, a time when we will explore together a powerful secret of the Holy Quran. This secret can transform your daily life, protect you from negative energies, neutralize evil spells, and above all, offer you the serenity we all seek in this troubled world. Have you ever felt invaded by negative thoughts, irrational fears, or even malevolent energies? At such times, we all need divine protection that goes far beyond what the material world can offer. This spiritual secret lies in a verse of the Holy Quran, verse 3 of Surah Al-Fath, which reads, May God give you powerful help.
وَيَنْصُرَكَ اللَّهُ نَصْرًا عَزِيزًا.
Imagine for a moment this verse as a shield of light, surrounding and protecting you from all adversity. This verse is a direct appeal to Allah's divine power to grant you His absolute help. But how can you use it effectively in your daily life? That's what we are going to find out together today. The power of verse 3 of Surah Al-Fath. Verse 3 of Surah Al-Fath is not just a prayer, it's a powerful invocation that calls for Allah's protection against all evils. When you utter these divine words with faith, you activate an incredible spiritual force. It's a way of directly invoking divine protection, a firm and unwavering help in your life. By repeating this verse, you establish a powerful link between yourself and Allah, receiving His support, no matter what challenges you're going through. But how can you apply this verse in your daily life to maximize its benefits? Practicing verse 3 of Surah Al-Fath. Here's a simple but extremely powerful method for integrating this verse into your life on a regular basis. First thing in the morning, before starting your daily activities, recite the verse 33 times. This starts your day with complete divine protection. You wake up with a spiritual shield around you, ready to face whatever the day may bring. Imagine this verse as a divine blanket that protects you from all bad influences and negative energies. After the Maghrib prayer, repeat this verse again 33 times. This will strengthen your spiritual shield before nightfall. In the evening, we are often more vulnerable to negative energies, whether bad thoughts or outside influences. Repeating this verse at this time, before night falls, will strengthen your protection against any malevolence. Before going to bed, recite this verse one last time, 33 more times. This is a crucial moment, as sleep is a time when our soul temporarily separates from our body. By reciting this verse before going to sleep, you purify your soul and ward off any evil intentions, malevolence or disruptive spirits. You fall asleep in divine peace, protected from evil energies that may try to enter your space. This simple ritual, performed on a regular basis, sends any evil spirits back to their origin and creates a protective barrier around you. This protection is not limited to bad people, but also encompasses bad energies, bad intentions, and even bad spells. The spiritual benefits of this practice. What makes this practice so powerful is its regularity. It's not just a one-off act, but a daily ritual. By reciting this verse every day with devotion and faith, you'll notice changes in your life. You'll feel calmer, more serene, and you'll see how Allah gradually leads you away from all evil. But remember, the key to spiritual success lies in consistency. Integrating this practice into your daily life will not only transform your relationship with Allah, it will also strengthen your faith and confidence in His divine power. You'll see how your life becomes filled with divine blessings and protections. If this video has benefited you and you feel Allah's peace and protection, don't hesitate to share this knowledge with your loved ones, friends, and family. Sharing these spiritual practices is a form of sadaqah, almsgiving, and the more you share this light, the more you spread peace around you. We live in a world where negative energies and evil spells can sometimes seem omnipresent. But the Quran offers us powerful tools to protect ourselves and move forward with confidence. By applying the divine teachings, we have the opportunity to remain anchored in faith, protected by Allah and guided by His light. Before concluding, remember that the important thing is not simply to recite this verse, but to do so with deep faith and pure intention. When you invoke Allah, do so with total sincerity and unshakable trust in His mercy and power. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover even more spiritual secrets and practices inspired by the Quran. Each video is an opportunity to deepen our spiritual understanding and bring us closer to Allah. May Allah protect you, guide you and grant you His peace and serenity. Assalamu alaikum.